The ingredients are carrots, onion, garlic, quail egg, tuna, all-purpose cream, butter, and pasta sauce. Then, let's boil first the quail egg in 10 minutes. Then, next is, let's start cooking the pasta. The first one is, maglagay muna ng asin sa pinakuluang tubig. Then, the pasta. And then, after that, halu-haluin para hindi magdikit-dikit yung pasta. Then, after 25 minutes, luto na siya. Okay na to. Ayun, so let's proceed naman sa pagluto ng sauce. So, the first one is the butter. After that, let's put the garlic. Mix it well. And then, the next one is onion. Then, the carrots. And then, the tuna. And then, the next is the pasta sauce. And the condensed milk. And the last one is the all-purpose cream. Then, after that, halu-haluin ng mabuti. Then, after maluto ng sauce, let's mix it sa pasta. And here's the finished product. Pasta, yung pasta. Rate mo. Ano?
Kapag hindi po siya nakapasok talaga sa bahay, hindi po nagpapakain sa emotions ko na
Sakto lang.
kainin sa emotions kuya. Pero sobrang nakakapagod kuya, sobrang
Tamang-tama yung timpla, saka
especially yung
masarap.
po talaga kuya.
Yummy. Masarap. Simpleng luto pero masarap.